At first glance, this looks like a bombing range. At first glance, you might mistake this for an environmental disaster. And at first glance, you wouldn't think this was a vacation destination. But if you take a second look at Bombay Beach, you'll find this place was all of these things and a whole lot more.
This was a bombing range for the Air Force and, testing different bombs. And
So they used to blow things up out
they
here?
used to blow things up.
It's been decades since military planes blew up anything at Bombay Beach. In fact, the only plane you'll find around here is this one.
Is this a plane crash? Is that what this is, or?
This piece is called Lodestar.
These days, artists like Rebel Dharma inhabit the desert town. A few years ago, he started the Bombay Beach Arts and Culture Center.
It's just freedom out here to do what you want.
Among the dilapidated trailer homes and barren beaches are a number of randomly placed art installations, many of which were part of Burning Man's past.
All these here are installations. This is a Dream Demon. This is a Polaroid museum here.
Bombay Beach sits on the eastern edge of the Salton Sea. Before the New Age art renaissance, the town was a vacation paradise.
Fishing, water skiing, swimming, lots of dune buggy riding, just great.
Sonia Herbert owns the Ski Inn, a restaurant and bar which was built in a rather unique location.
You said it's the lowest bar.
Right, in the Western Hemisphere,
And how low is it?
230 feet below sea level.
It's a fun fact, but the elevation of the Ski Inn, and the Salton Sea for that matter, has created numerous problems for the town of Bombay Beach.
Then the sea started to rise, and so we had to put a berm around the town to save the town.
The Salton Sea is essentially a big hole in the ground. A millennia of flooding and drought constantly affects the sea's water level. Farming, irrigation, and water diversion have only made things worse here. Fish are now dying, and the sea is going dry.
And the town sort of went down into it's almost a ghost town.
Had it not been for artists and the eye-catching installations, Bombay Beach probably would have turned into a ghost town.
It just got better and better. They bought all these defunct houses and fixed them up, so it's been really a good resurgence for the town.
From the top of the Lodestar at Bombay Beach, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroad.